This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change battery on BMW 5 Series key fob step by step. Start by separating the key blade from the fob using the slot and a small flathead screwdriver to create leverage. Gently pry the two halves apart, keeping pressure even to avoid breaking clips. Remove the old CR 2032 battery and note its orientation before inserting the new one. Once the key blade is removed, insert a small flathead screwdriver into the slot and twist gently to open the case. Apply steady, even pressure along the seam and listen for clips releasing. Keep your thumbs over the halves as they separate to prevent internal parts from springing free, and set the opened halves face up on a clean cloth to keep components organized. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Quick recommendation and a little humor. Here's a great read, the book The Simple Path to Wealth, which can change how you think about money and saving for things like car keys. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Take out the old CR 2032 battery and inspect which side faces up. Usually the positive side faces outward. Insert the new CR 2032 with the same orientation, ensuring it sits flat in the compartment. Align the two halves of the fob carefully and press them together until you hear the clips click into place. Then test the key fob buttons to confirm proper operation before reattaching the key blade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.